One of our hard stand jobs, cleaning the Strataglass. So let's see how well the IMAR Stataglass cleaner works. Like most sailboats, our helm is all Strataglass and we have to keep that clean. Usually out on the water, it's a case of a soft brush and the hose, but now we've been on the hard stand for a while, I'm going to take it up a notch and use an actual Strataglass polisher. So this is the IMAR one. I'm going to show you how well it actually works because I've been quite impressed by it, and we'll see how nice we can get this panel here. So far I have washed this panel down with water, and I'm going to do half with this so that we can see the difference inside and out. With this stuff, basically all I have to do is put it on. They say to use small circles, wait for it to dry into a haze, and then gently buff it off small circles with a clean cloth or a microfiber cloth. Once I do that, it should come up super clear, and then it also gives some anti-UV protection. Obviously, if you don't add UV protection to your Strataglass over time, it is going to degrade, and we would like to prevent that at all costs because then we'd be up for new Strataglass. The cost of the Strataglass itself is not cheap, let alone the labor of having to put it into the helm enclosure. So definitely want to avoid that. It's kind of hard to see, but it's on there, and now it is just drying. Once I can see that it's dried to a haze, then it's coming off. Now that it's applied and dried and hazy, it's time to get this nice clean rag and buff it off, see what we're left with. If you're curious, that's all that came off. Alright, so that's the difference. Hard to say if you can see it on the camera. So that's what it looks like in the end. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the performance, with what it looks like, and with the fact that it has the UV protection. But if you know something better, feel free to put it in the comments. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep using this one.